I'm going to be showing you how to change your iCloud password. Changing your iCloud password is a good way to protect your account from unauthorized access. You should change your iCloud password regularly, especially if you think that your account may have been compromised. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Let's see first how you can change your iCloud password directly on your iPhone. Locate and tap on the Settings app icon on your iPhone's home screen. At the top of the Settings menu, you'll see your name and profile picture. Tap on it. Within your Apple ID settings, find and tap on Sign In and Security. Choose Change Password. This option will be located at the top of the menu. Tap on it to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode or use Face ID Touch ID to verify your identity. Type in your current iCloud password in the designated field. Enter your desired new password, ensuring it's strong and secure. Re-enter your new password to confirm it matches. Once you've confirmed your new password, tap the Change or Done button to finalize the process. You have changed the password on iCloud. How you can change your iCloud password directly on a desktop or MacBook. The first step is to open the Apple ID website with your browser. You can do this by going to appleid.apple.com. Once the Apple ID website is open, sign in to your Apple ID account. If you don't know your password, you can try to recover it, but it may take a day or two to get into your account, depending on what options you have. You see it asks me the two-factor authentication. Once you are signed in, click on the Sign In and Security section. In the Sign In and Security section, click on the Password button. Enter your current password. Now, you can enter your new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Re-enter your new password in the Confirm Password field. Once you have entered your new password, click on the Change Password button. You have changed the password on iCloud. Now you know how to change your iCloud password. I hope this guide has been helpful. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.